Hello, Send here, and welcome to my channel where we talk about the wonders of nature and their benefits for healthy hair, skin, nails, gut health, and so many other things. Today we are going to talk about a powerhouse in green tea, and not just any green tea, gunpowder green tea, Zen gunpowder to be exact. A secret weapon that green tea has that nobody really talks about, but we're talking about it today. EGCG. Here is the scientific name for it. It's the powerhouse within green tea. By the end of this video, you will know all about one of the main powerhouses on this earth that you can use to reduce balding and different forms of alopecia. So if you want to learn more about the powerhouse on this earth that will almost shock your follicles back to health, then keep on watching this video. Now, gunpowder green tea is a form of green tea known for its rolled pellet-like appearance, right? So to transport it, and for a couple of other reasons, they roll it up so it looks all cute and it looks like what we in the Americas know or see as gunpowder. Thus the name gunpowder green tea. Like many other forms of green tea, this one is rich in polyphenols, and to be exact, the polyphenol that we're talking about today is EGCG. This one is a powerhouse because of its amazing anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. So when we are talking about balding and the scalp, especially different forms of balding, most forms of balding and most forms of alopecia are caused by different forms of inflammation within the body and free radicals and so many other things. So this tea, we're going to break down exactly how it tackles all of those things. Now, polyphenols are a group of natural compounds found in plants, and scientists are always studying them like crazy because they have so many amazing benefits for the human body. But EGCG specifically has been studied widely for all of its amazing benefits, so we're going to talk about them right now. Anti-inflammatory is number one. EGCG has been shown to inhibit certain inflammatory pathways in the body, and in return, this prevents the body or slows the body down in the body's production of pro-inflammatory molecules, right? Different things within the body that cause inflammation in the scalp and in the skin or all over the body in general. This may help to mitigate all of the different forms, all of the different health issues onset by inflammation, right? So when we're stopping inflammation at its source, a whole lot of the different illnesses that come with it, or the different scalp disorders and skin disorders based around inflammation, begin to be non-existent. Antioxidant rich. Now, the antioxidants within gunpowder green tea is amazing. It helps the body to neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress within the body. And oxidative stress within the body can cause follicle death, and it can also cause pre-aging of the skin, a whole lot of wrinkling, and a whole lot of different things that happen to the skin faster than it's supposed to happen because of free radicals within the body. But when you're tackling it from the inside out, you don't have to worry about that. This green tea can neutralize free radicals in the body. EGCG acts as an antioxidant superhero within the body. Its molecular structure is so powerful when it comes to neutralizing free radicals within the body that can lead to oxidative stress and cell damage. So, free radicals are unstable molecules produced by external environmental sensors. Free radicals can disturb the natural flow of the hair follicle, resulting in an imbalance in the production of new hair growth cells, leading to weaker, thinner, and drier hair that can lead to balding over time. So the antioxidants in EGCG act as like a superhero in neutralizing the free radicals on the human scalp, or within the human body in general. They act as like scavengers, intercepting all of the different things that the free radicals cause within the hair's follicle. By curbing oxidative stress, your hair follicles are able to thrive and and receive the right amount of oxygen with a healthy balance of good and bacteria on the hair's scalp and within the follicle itself. This will result in healthy and fast hair growth and length retention. Next is going to be stimulating blood circulation. Now, healthy hair growth hands down is 100% dependent on healthy blood flow and oxygen flow. Poor circulation can hinder the transportation of nutrients to the hair's follicle. This limit on oxygen flow and nutrients to the hair follicle will drastically throw off the hair's natural hair growth cycle and leading to thinning and balding. It's supporting the DHT connection. Now, DHT is what the natural testosterone in the body converts to. This happens in men and women. DHT can shrink the hair follicles, which can lead to thinner hair strands, and eventually hair loss. Some studies have shown that EGCG is able to inhibit the conversion of testosterone into DHT in the first place, and this is going to protect the hair follicle because it is when the testosterone is converted into DHT that it attacks the hair follicle, resulting in balding. And a lot of times this could be permanent, so if you could tackle it at the source, you can get it before the getting get real good and bad. With this tea, and remember, every tea that I'm telling you about, I'm talking about you drinking it, not you putting it in your hair. And with this tea, by you ingesting it, you single-handedly stop the conversion of testosterone into DHT within the human body. And the antioxidants within this tea help the body to fight against aging, and not only aging of the skin on your face, but also the skin on your scalp, which can eventually lead to balding. It's going to reduce cellular damage and reduce the breaking down of collagen within the body. Instead of the body constantly breaking down collagen, you'll be able to rebuild it. Not only does it have anti-aging capabilities, but it also has the ability to rejuvenate different cells within the human body. So if you're a person who has been dealing with cellular death within the hair shaft, within the skin, and different things like that, this is something really good to incorporate into your everyday routine. Next up is its cardiovascular benefits. Drinking a cup of Zen powder green tea once a day aids the body in maintaining its cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart attack and improving your heart's overall health. Brain health. Some research shows EGCG may have neuropathic protective properties, which can potentially play a role in your brain's overall health, mental function. Weight loss management. Now, drinking a cup of this a day helps the body to maintain a healthy metabolism. So it helps you to be able to burn the fat as you need to throughout the day. So that way the food that you're eating isn't just sitting on your stomach and just sitting on you and causing you to gain weight at a rapid pace. All right, it keeps the metabolism going. Now let's get into peppermint. Peppermint is another herb that is in this blend with gunpowder. These two herbs, spearmint and peppermint, also offer amazing anti-inflammatory properties. They contain compounds like menthol and rosmarinic acid, which have demonstrated amazing anti-inflammatory effects within the body. Digestive support. Peppermint aids the body in having healthy digestion. So even with taking different supplements and things of that nature, if your digestive system is not operating properly, then a lot of times you're not even able to reap the benefits of the different teas or any pills or anything that you could possibly be taking. You're not able to reap the benefits of them simply because your body's digestive system isn't able to break down food properly. Peppermint has been known throughout history to alleviate bloating, digestive issues like indigestion, and different things like irritable bowel disorder, also known as IBS. Peppermint and spearmint is a amazing for regulating this within the body. Headache relief, the menthol within peppermint and spearmint helps the mind to relax with its cooling effect, which gives the sensation to cool and relax migraines and headaches. Spearmint is another one that has amazing anti-inflammatory properties that can also get rid of different bacteria within the gut. This will contribute to the body reducing all of the oxidative stress, limiting the amount of free radicals in the body that are attacking the hair's follicles within the first place. Hormonal balance. Now, studies have shown that women who are ingesting teas rich in spearmint, it can help reduce estrogen levels within the body, which in return really help with women who have conditions like PCOS. I talk about that a lot in this video here, or is left in the description box below, so make sure you go check that out. Overall, the combination of these 3 herbs are meant to reduce the body of inflammation, fight off free radicals that result in cell damage and cell death, and help the body at rejuvenating and rebuilding different cells within the body that have been damaged from different forms of oxidative stress. By intaking this tea on a regular basis, you can also stop the conversion from testosterone to DHT, attacking the hair follicles, causing balding and thinning in hair in men and women alike. Now, I always want to do this disclaimer and say that I am not a doctor, so if you are a person who is pregnant or nursing, or if you are on a bunch of medications, it's really easy to just go ahead and check with your doctor and see if it's okay for you to use certain things. I also are in co-creation with the creator when it comes to your body, so you cannot like just eat whatever you want whenever you want and then just drink and take really bad care of yourself on an internal level and then drink some of this tea and think everything is just going to be okay. It doesn't work like that. You have to make sure that it's a 1-2 punch. You have to make sure that you are doing everything that you're supposed to do as it pertains to your diet. So make sure you check the link in the description box below. Check out my blog post, and it has a detailed breakdown of all of the information we talked about today and more, plus some recipes that you can use with this Zen gunpowder recipe. All right, because you don't just put this tea in your hair. I actually don't recommend you putting this tea in your hair at all. I only recommend you using it the way that I teach you how to use on my blog. So make sure you check the link in the description box below to learn more about this blend and to get your hands on it if you want some. It is so delicious, and I drink it without any added sugar. This is my 2nd cup of the day. I'm literally drinking tea all day. It just depends on what my body needs when I wake up. I love y'all so much. Make sure you subscribe here to my channel and click on the bell notification so you're notified every time I post another video.